Everyone's invited. Understanding inclusive phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very special and inclusive phrase in English. Everyone's invited. This phrase is not only common but also carries a lot of warmth and openness. Whether you're planning a party, a meeting, or any gathering, understanding and using this phrase correctly can make all the difference in your communication. So, let's dive in and find out what makes "everyone's invited" such a welcoming phrase. Everyone's invited is a phrase that's used to express that all people are welcome to attend an event, gathering, or place. The word everyone means every person, without exclusion. When we add "s invited," which is a contraction of "is invited," we are saying that an invitation is extended to every single person. This phrase is often used in informal contexts, such as parties or casual gatherings, but it can also be found in more formal invitations or announcements where the host wants to emphasize inclusivity. Inclusivity means making sure everyone feels included and welcomed, regardless of their background, beliefs, or any other characteristics. By saying, "everyone's invited," you're not just inviting people, you're sending a powerful message of acceptance and openness. This phrase can play a crucial role in building community spirit and ensuring that no one feels left out. It's particularly useful in multicultural environments where inclusivity is key to harmony and mutual respect. Let's look at how "everyone's invited" can be used in various situations. Social events. Whether it's a birthday party, a barbecue, or a wedding, using this phrase in your invitations makes your event feel more open and welcoming. Meetings and workshops. In professional settings, this phrase can encourage participation and signal that all opinions and contributions are valued. Public events. For concerts, exhibitions, or community events, "everyone's invited" emphasizes that the event is open to the public and everyone is welcome to join. While "everyone's invited" is a positive and inclusive phrase, it's also important to be culturally sensitive. In some cultures, direct invitations are expected, and general statements might not be enough. Always consider your audience and, if necessary, follow up with personal invitations to ensure that everyone truly feels invited. And that's a wrap on "Everyone's Invited." We hope this video has shed light on the beauty and importance of inclusivity in our language and interactions. Remember, using inclusive phrases like "everyone's invited" can make a big difference in how we connect with each other and create welcoming spaces for all. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.